Hi everyone! So it's a gorgeous day here today in Bristol. I'm just about to go on my daily exercise. I go on a walk every day with my dad. This is my dad here. Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
What's your name?
James.
It's my dad, James. So we're going to go on a walk together and have a look at the lovely things around where we live. There are lots of beautiful trees in the area that my parents live that we see when we go on our walks. Can you see this one? It's absolutely huge. Have you got any idea what tree this might be? Let's have a look and see if we can find out by looking at the leaves. Here are some of the leaves blowing in the breeze. Can you work out what tree this is? Here's another one. Have you got any idea what this one might be? Let's have a look. See if we can get in close to the leaves. See if we can work out what they are. There you go. Have a look. See if you can work it out. It's quite windy here today. Can you see how the leaves are moving, and can you hear the sound of the wind rustling in the trees? Can you hear the water of the stream? It runs all the way down through the fields. Lots of flowers growing in the grass. Can you see them? And do you know what they are? There's a yellow one here. There we go. Do you know what this one's called? And then these little ones here, these pretty white ones. They're everywhere. My dad's just found something on the ground. Have you ever seen one of these before? Do you know what it is and what makes that mound of earth? See if you can find out. Which way to go, left or straight on? Straight on. Through the stile and along the dirt path. These are pretty white flowers and you'll usually see them everywhere. Do you know what they are? Field. There's a couple of residents here by the looks of it. Let's see if they'll come over and say hello. Hello. There's another one. Hello. Come over to say hello. Gorgeous. Hello. There's a very small pony here, munching away at the grass. Shall we see if we can get your face in? Yeah. Look at that big nose. Hello. Field together. So how many are in the field? Let's keep going. Look at these flowers here. Do you recognise them? They usually grow in fields and you get lots of them in the summer. I'll give you a clue. Some people say they think that they can tell if you like butter or not by putting one of these flowers under your chin. We were going to go through this field, but uh-oh. It's really muddy on the other side of this stile and I am not wearing the right shoes. So we're going to have to turn around and see if we can find a different way to go.